What's up, Aaron here. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Aweber affiliate program and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to generate income online? Let's check out the Aweber affiliate program to see whether this is a good way for you to make income or not, all right? Now, Aweber is a very popular email autoresponder software, right? So this is good for any business that wants to grow a following and basically email their customers who opt into their email list, right? So I've used Aweber for many years. I've been a part of the affiliate program for many years too, right? Made hundreds and thousands of dollars from this program. It's really cool. So let's talk a little bit about how this actually works, right? So Aweber works basically with any sort of website or funnel builder where you can, have a little capture page or squeeze page. Someone enters their email details inside, they will capture the email, and then you can create these automatic email sequences that get sent to your customers, where they get these automated emails and you can promote to them, you can add value, you can market, you can sell to them, all right? It's a very essential part of selling any product or service online. Now, Aweber also has an affiliate program. So let's talk about that a little bit. So first of all, I just want to show you the normal price that someone would pay to join Aweber, right? So if you come to Aweber and you come to pricing, you go to monthly because most people will pay monthly, okay? The most popular plan is the $30 per month. So you're going to start with $30 a month, but as you increase your subscriber base, right? Most people, most businesses will increase over time. People will have to pay a little bit more, right? So if you're getting about 10,000 subscribers, you're going to be paying about $135 per month. If your business grows to a bit, bigger, it's about $215 per month. So we'll just use this as a calculation, right? So if you want to join their affiliate program, just go to Google and type out Aweber affiliate program, and it's actually called the Aweber Advocate program, all right? And anyone can sign up for it. It's really easy. You don't even really have to be using Aweber. You can sign up for free as a beginner, as an experienced person. It doesn't matter. Come here, fill out all these details, right? You must have a PayPal address because they pay out through PayPal directly, all right? And you can use this, with them as well. And essentially what happens here is they will have a minimum. You can choose right here. The minimum is $30, so you have to have at least $30 in your account, right, before they actually pay out. And once you sign up for it, you're going to get a link, all right, a specific affiliate link that you can use to promote. Now, once you promote their program, they will pay between 30 and 50% commissions for the sales that you make, all right? So you're gonna start off at 30%, right? So let's just say you bring in someone, at the $30 per month level. People start low and then they kind of it builds up over time. But let's just say $30 a month times 30%, you're gonna make about $9 for every single person that you bring in, but this is recurring, okay? So these are recurring commissions. As long as they stay inside the program actively, then you're going to be able to slowly build that up over time. You see, up to 50% recurring referral payments, which is really cool. It's always nice to have an affiliate program that pays you recurring commissions. You might be thinking, well, Aaron, $9 is not that much, right? And it's not, okay? But over time, as they start to increase their plan, you're going to be paid appropriately, right? And the more people you bring in, then you're going to get, upgraded to the 40%, then later on the 50%. Then you start to make a little bit more money, right? So 30% times the 40% commissions, that's $12, right? But that's $12 every month. And then this builds up over time as they build up their subscribers. And the cool thing about softwares and programs like Aweber is that as long as people stay in business, they're going to use this for a long time. So I used Aweber for years before I moved to another email provider, right? And that's pretty typical. People will stay in Aweber maybe for 3 to 6 months, sometimes a year, sometimes a few years. So you might be able to make these commissions for a long time, right? So you do the work once, you continue to get paid for a long time, which I think is really cool, okay? And that's pretty much it. It's actually a very simple way to sign up for the affiliate program. And I like programs where they pay anywhere from 30% to 70% commissions. If it's recurring, even better. And that's the case with Aweber, which is really cool. So if you want to get signed up with it, just come to aweber.com/signup.htm, or you can just Google Aweber affiliate program and you can get signed up that way, right? Now, who is this good for and how much money can you really make, right? Well, this is good for people basically who already understand internet marketing. Maybe you already have an email list of business owners. Maybe you have a channel where people want to start businesses. It's really in that space. Every business owner that's online will need an email autoresponder. So you can sign up here and then just promote it to your list. I think it's a very easy win, especially if you already have an audience. Now, if you're a beginner, then it might be a little bit more difficult because you don't have an email list, you don't have an audience that follows you. But if you, depending on which niche you decide to go into, Aweber could be one of those tools that you can recommend, especially if you're in the business building space, if you're in the creative space, if you're in the internet marketing space, the entrepreneurial space, the make money space, right? Then you can always recommend this as one of the tools that the business owner or entrepreneur could use to build their business online, which is really, really cool. But again, if you're a beginner, you do have to learn how to build your business out first, get an audience going, get an email list going, before you can recommend them cool little affiliate programs to start up like Aweber, or tools that they can use like Aweber. I hope that makes sense, okay? So if you want to check out the Aweber program, just type out, Aweber affiliate program. I think it's a really cool program. I think the commission rates are good. It's recurring. It's free to sign up. You can do this from anywhere in the world. And, you can pretty much get a PayPal account from hundreds and hundreds of countries. I think it's over 250 countries that PayPal is available. So you should be able to get paid out by them, which is really, really cool, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video and you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, maybe you want to get started. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars over a period of time, even millions actually, over a period of time. And this is one of the things that I love to do. So if you want to learn how to get started and do it right as a beginner, okay, you don't know how to do this, you have no knowledge, I have a masterclass that shows you how I went from zero to millions of dollars with affiliate marketing, and I show you how to market all sorts of different products like Aweber, right? You can check out that masterclass for free just by clicking the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Aweber affiliate program, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.